Okay, where to begin? Obviously, you can see I have the struts right here, and I ended up not going with them. I was sort of on the fence with these. It was sort of a, that I've seen online people doing, and I was like, oh, I'll try it out. The issue that I had with these was not necessarily the quality. The quality was good. I think as I was installing it, for whatever reason, the left side or driver right side of the nut and bolt just kept coming loose. So the strut on that side kept coming apart. So whether it was the install or on my part, who knows? I thought I had torqued down the bolt pretty tightly. But that aside, my main issue was when it was working, I don't know, I just didn't feel the need for gas powered, or I just didn't feel the need for the struts. I don't know if that's just a personal preference, but I kind of missed how the weight of the hood closed. I don't know, call me old school. I felt I liked the OEM hood latch better. It was still great, and again, your mileage may vary. I'll link the product in the description below if you want to buy these. Anyways, you live and you learn. Some mods you see will look cool, but might not be for you. So definitely do your research. So yeah, short video, nothing too crazy. Did want to address, if you haven't read the news, Hyundai does have an open recall for some of their DCT models. And unfortunately, my car is on the recall list. No official letter yet. So I've been kind of waiting or debating whether I should install some other engine mods that I have. I have the Boomba Racing blow-off valve, and I have the AFE Scorcher tuner. I don't know. I'm on the fence whether they see the mods and deny my claim, even though it's an open recall, which I'm sure they are supposed to just replace. But again, these mods are pretty small that I could just put the OEM part back on. It would just be annoying to kind of put it on, put it back on, and then put it on again. Let me know in the comments below, should I install some of these mods and just deal with the recall as it comes? Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.